Hey Springfield, my name is Anthony Chara and I'm coming to see you for an awesome all-day event from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturday, February 20th. I'm going to be teaching you about apartment and multifamily investing. Also, if you have other types of commercial property that you're interested in, like mobile home parks, storage facilities, strip malls, office buildings, even hotels, we can talk about those as well too on Saturday, February 20th. More importantly, I want you to bring your own live deals. I want you to bring your deals so that we can analyze them as part of the training on Saturday. And as an extra bonus, for those of you that register before the early bird cutoff that's shown here on the RE Investor Group website, I will give you my analysis software for free. It's a $179 value that's yours for taking action and registering early. We're going to use it to analyze your deals, and I'm going to teach you throughout that process, as we analyze your deals, about the lingo, the terminology that you need to understand, and financing, and a bunch of other things that you need to learn. It's going to be a great time. You're going to learn a ton of information, I guarantee it. Again, it's going to be all day on Saturday, February 20th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Go to REinvestorGroup.com to get registered. Make sure you get registered before the end of the early bird cutoff so that you get the free software. REinvestorGroup.com, and I'll see you on Saturday, February 20th.